and Master John Inchingham, the Fool.
Are you coming up in here with this? Looks like it's going to be short.
6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Short?
Your Majesty! Yada, 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 ditto, 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 etc., etc., etc. We would pay a boon! Pelican! Cerian Cantwr! Please! Summon our most noble order of the Pelican.
Let me do it.
You can go.
Members of the Order of the Pelican, please present yourselves before their majesties.
Call forth the candidate.
Master Cerian Cantwr, please present yourself before their majesties.
Comes now into their majesty's court, Cerian Cantwr, infamous of music. First provost of Party Magus Midrell, trainer of provosts, recorder of histories, and member of the most noble order of the Laurel.
Feel free to sit. Is there a royal peer who will attest to Cerian's nobility?
There is, Your Majesty. I am Countess Sive Ingen Donica. I am Baroness of Roaring Wastes, and a member of your Order of the Rose, and I would speak to Cerian's nobility. May I address your populace as well as yourself? Probably some pelicans could say that. I got to know Master Cerian during our time on the throne, and in that time he revealed to me the true nobility of his nature through quiet but steadfast service as a bardic enigma. Not just to his queen for one reign, but to his whole kingdom, and in fact to the entire society for many, many years. He sees those that wish to perform but don't necessarily know how to start, and he points them to pieces or to venues that will work for them. He sees people that want to perform, but they're shy and they're nervous and they're not quite sure. And so he finds them opportunities that are less scary and provides encouragement gently, without pushing, to help them come out of their shell. And he sees royals, or barons, or events that want to have a bardic presence, and he gathers his whole cohort and he makes it happen. And he does all of this quietly. He doesn't jump up and demand attention. He doesn't want to take credit for all of the people and things that he's helped along the way. He just wants to see them thrive. This is the behavior of a most noble man, and I commend him to you most highly. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Is there a member of the chivalry who will attest to Cerian's courtesy and chivalry?
There is, Your Majesty.
Wish to come up here, Your Excellency?
I think I could be heard from here. I'm Count William of Fairhaven, member of your Order of the Chivalry. Other words for chivalry are civility, politeness, gallantry, courtesy. In the near 4 decades that I have known this man, he has ever been the protector, the nurturer, and the leader of bardic arts, not just in our kingdom, but in other kingdoms. He has spent his time quietly protecting and preserving the legacy of bardic arts across the known world for all of us. He is the chevalier of the bardic arts, and he is one of my oldest and dearest friends, and it is my honor to commend him to you.
Thank you.
Is there a companion of the Order of the Laurel that will attest to the skills in the arts and sciences?
I am the Lorax. I speak for the trees. I am Maestra Lucia Elena Braganza, and I would speak for the Order of the Laurel. The bardic arts are one of the arts that cross both worlds of art and service. Once a piece has been composed, it can be used to praise, to honor, to celebrate, to inspire, to gather people together, to remember, to record our history. It's not uncommon these days for people to take videos of performances, courts, battles, tournaments, classes. I have several videos on my own phone. However, they're stuck there. Cerian goes the extra tedious mile of editing, cataloging, labeling, and sharing, making it available to the whole mid-realm, the whole SCA, the whole world. His YouTube channel is shorthand for, hey, look at we do. Look at what we do. He has made an art of sharing the art of all of us. He has also made it a mission to capture the works of performers, great and small, so that as our cadre inevitably ages and sails into the West, they are not completely lost. Kadrin the Pilgrim, Emil Azeltruner. Cerian may not be able to save lives, but he certainly preserves them. That which is remembered lives. This is service. This is work. Thank you.
Thank you. Is there a member of the Order of the Pelican who can attest to Cerian's service?
Aye, Your Majesties.
Would you like to come up here, or are you good? Yes.
Hi, Master King. No. I've told you to him before. Speak of the service of Cerian Cantwr briefly. Cerian is here today because he saw a thing that needed doing and he did it. No one told him to do it. He didn't get any support, monetary or otherwise, from the kingdom. He just saw a thing that needed doing and he did it. And that enables him to join this order of doers. Look at the people in front of this dais. They are the folks who run the society. They are the workhorses of the SCA. Humility is not what itching hands do best. But I was humbled to be asked to join this order nearly a quarter of a century ago. And today I am proud to welcome my friend, Master Cerian, into our ranks.
Is there a member of the populace who will speak on Cerian's behalf?
Hi, I'm here in the Populace section. Does that count towards the 6 minutes? So I am Nihila Stormbringer, a humble bard. Cerian, you're sitting down. Stay sitting because I'm going to say nice things about you. And I know I promised that I would never do that unless I was dying. I figured that this was a worthy thing. History is ephemeral. We complain and complain about the things that we would love to have and know about, but we don't have the extant sources. Bards capture the ephemeral in their words, their stories, their songs, and yet a performance in and of itself is the most ephemeral thing. Cerian Cantwr has, as everyone said, captured not just the works of the bards, but fights, elevations, courts, misdeeds. He has 3,200 plus videos on his YouTube page. He has also created a website that contains links to Bard's songs, to our classes, to a search engine that not just searches his site, but Callan's song and several out-of-print SCA songbooks. This man has preserved history from the very beginning of the SCA. But that is not just why he is worthy. Cerian is my Laurel. He has long been like an older brother, a pain in my side, and yet beloved. He has been a mentor. He has been a person who teaches us how to be chosen family. He has outstretched and included my belt siblings, my student, into a family that I longed to have. He has made my life easier, not just as a bard, but as a seneschal. He didn't know this, but with all his works, this makes my life easier. I can send people to this. It's wonderful. But he has made my life easier. He has made my life richer. He has made my life incredible. He has taught me that it is better to apologize than to ask permission. And he has taught me that shenanigans are best done behind the scenes so that others get blamed for it. I have nothing but love in my heart for Cerian. He knows this, although I tease him to death about it. Your Majesties, I cannot think of anyone better than to put feathers on. I commend him to you, my dear Laurel, and now... Thank you.
Cerian, right mindful of your service to the society and responsive to the wishes of your peers, we are resolved to create you Master of the Pelican. Which creature will nourish her young, when necessary, with the blood of her own breast, and therefore has been chosen as the most appropriate symbol of service to our society. Therefore will you, Cerian, give us your word to continue to fulfill the requirements set forth for the governance of this order, as you must surely have till now.
I will.
When you increase your labors nobly, increase your talents as befits one of your rank, and seek to disseminate your talents and abilities throughout the society.
I will.
Do you promise to train any dependents you may have to serve as you have served?
I will.
So, what we need now are the medallions.
There are 3, Your Majesty.
1, 2, 3, Your Excellency.
5 is right now.
This medallion was commissioned by Mistress Lorelei Skye and created by soon-to-be Master Gregory Bryant.
Then take from our hands the symbol of nobility and token of our esteem. Wear proudly that all may recognize your service as we have acknowledged it this day.
Is there a cloak?
There is a stunt cloak. The cloak is being constructed by Mistress Lorelei Skye. This one belongs to my lady, Mistress Mari Inyandadi.
Cerian, Wear this cloak as an outward token of your new station. Is there a cap?
There is a stunt cap of bacon. The new one is being constructed by Mistress Margaret Malise. This one belongs to my lady wife, Mistress Barry Inducted.
Wear this cap of maintenance as a symbol of your service.
Cerian, are you prepared to swear fealty?
I am. I here swear fealty and do homage to the crown of the Middle Kingdom, to serve the crown in all things, to remember courtesy and kindness, to prize justice above personal gain, to labor for the common good, to enrich the kingdom and the society so they may flourish and grow, and to be worthy of the title Pelican. Hereby my honor, my hand, and my heart swear I, Cerian Cantwr.
This do we hear,
I'll never forget, nor fail to reward
that which is given. Fealty with love, service with honor, and oath breaking with justice.
So, Master Cerian, you've requested to be done. In remembrance of oaths given and received, in remembrance of your lineage and obligation, be thou a good Pelican. Rise, Master Cerian. Hey, we present to you the newest member of the Pelican, Master Cerian.
Forsaking of the passing years, in word and deed our history made. Yet time obscures what we hold dear. The brightest memory starts to fade. 'Tis craft of bards to shape the way, the path of legends that are told. Yet fleeting are the things we say, not easy for the mind to hold. But in Midland's windmill of skew, one conjured modern alchemy, with knowledge deep and labor long, to stem the ebb of history. Cerian Cantwr, call his name. Give honor as his service earns. A pelican's rank and great word fame. In him the dragon fire burns. Thus we, with Thane King and Niasa Queen, mighty draconic majesties of the Mid-Realm, make our will known on this 23rd day of March, Honor Societatis 58.
Take them away, but keep it quiet. We've got some more business. We might need you back.